Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Parade in downtown Kingston. Now look on the left, you see where the JUTC buses are parked? Nice $1 million buses. They're just parked out in the open. There is no covering, there are no bus bays. So the government has a plan to build bus bays by North Parade and South Parade. This is South Parade we're driving on, and we're heading up to North Parade now. The JUTC buses park at South Parade and North Parade. And as you're going to see as we go up to North Parade, sometimes they're parked in the road. Now look on the left. Those are more JUTC buses just stopped in the road. There is no bus park down here like what you find at the Halfway Tree Transport Center, which is a um, covered facility with shops, proper loading areas. I mean, if it rains, you have to stand up in the rain to go. You have to go through the rain. There are the buses on the left to get into the bus. The sun is out. There is no shelter, no signage, nothing. Those are the buses on the left. This is North Parade now. And you see the bus on the right, parked in the road. So the government has had this plan to upgrade the bus shelters down here for quite some time. A few years actually. And I'm surprised that they haven't started yet, or it hasn't been completed. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day. There is another JUTC bus. One of those buses costs about 300 million Jamaican dollars. Just parked in the road. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Have a good day.